My company started as an offset printing company. It started year 2001. My company's name is ES Paper and Ink Merchandising. Back then, I'm limited financially. So I took the risk. I went to China. I brought in my first large format printer. And from print service provider, I shifted my business into distribution. And that's when ES Print Media Incorporated started.
Yung ES Print Media, binigyan niya ako ng oportunidad para makapagtrabaho kahit hindi ako tapos. Binigyan niya ako ng opportunity sa mga lahat ng bagay.
Ang natutulong po sa akin ng ES is number one yung motivation sa sarili po ng bawat empleyado po sa amin.
I believe in providing opportunities and I want to empower my people.
Ina-encourage nila yung open communication.
Hindi na sila magdadalawang isip para gawin yung kailangan para matulungan ka.
I want them to reach greater heights. And with this, ES Print to be successful because we have a good team.
ES Print, we're not like workmates.
It's like the same, you're inside your home, your family.
I don't see them as my workmates or mas mababa. We're like family.
ES Print, sila, makatao.
Sure po talaga na kahit hardworking, meron pong laging reward ang ES Print sa bawat empleyado.
You might not have the best resume, but if you have the dedication, the commitment to be one of us, to be part of my growing company, or to be part of ES Print Media, then we'll give you a chance.
Open arms sila in terms na hindi nila tinitignan kung ano yung natapos mo, kung ano yung pinag-aralan mo.
I want them to push themselves to the limit.
Because we're one big happy family. Not just our staff, our people, but also our clients.
Nandun sila sa positive na, okay, pag may ganitong challenge, ang laging tatanong nila, paano natin ma-improve.
Trust is something that is very important to us. We believe in partnership. We believe in growing together.
Hindi sila angat na sila lang. Tinutulungan nila yung mga tao nila.
Wala ka na ibang hahanapin.
We value friendship. Trust is something that is very important to us.
Open arms sila sa lahat ng bagay. Mas valuable sa kanila yung trust kaysa dun sa skills.
ES Print Media doesn't aim to be number one. Our goal is to be the best partner our customers can have. If our customers are successful, the company will be successful. If we are successful, then we can compensate our employees better. If our employees are compensated better, they will serve the company and our customers better.
We are ES Print Media!